Hey guys, be twice here. It is Wednesday, June 30th. I had a request just to look at PLTR, so I figured I would take a look at it again real fast. So I had originally on my very first video, I had a price target of the Wave 5, this blue Wave 5, which would be a purple Wave 1 of about $27. And then I did a video a couple weeks ago, and I corrected that, saying I thought it would get up to in the 28 range, 29, something like that. So now that we've seen this price action take place, we saw that my Wave 3 price target hit. We pulled back for a shallow 4, and now ultimately we're heading up for a Wave 5. So two things could be possibly happening here. What I'm seeing is that we've gone up for a 1, we pulled back for a 2, that this is a 3, which was a little bit shallow from where I thought it would go, and then ultimately we had a 3-wave move down for a 4. We need to hold this level for this to hold true. We should hopefully see some more upside and get up to this $28 range before ultimately that's where we'll end up seeing, we'll likely see a correction take place. Now, mind you, wave 5 can still be extended, so it could be extended wave 5, meaning it could go above, it could go 30, it could go even higher before we see a meaningful correction. But also, with that being said, it could also be truncated, meaning we could get a little bit more upside, or there may not be any more upside. We might have already topped and ultimately we could be heading lower. I started scaling out of options after we got to the wave 3 price target, and then I just went long with shares just because when you start to get up here, you have a lot more risk of a possible topping formation and then ultimately more downside. The wave threes are the best spots that you want to be in for options because they're usually very powerful moves like we saw here. So with that being said, I still do see some upside with PLTR. I'm still long PLTR for long term. I think it's a great stock to hold. So I will not be selling my shares, but just be mindful that at these levels we could still possibly see some upside from here, but we also could be seeing a flush back down because when we do get up to this wave 1, you could see as much as a 60% retracement from here. I don't think it'll be that big of a drop, but I guess time will tell. So long story short, I still see some upside, but you got to be careful at these levels. All right, guys, if you like these videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.